Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be doing a video of I'm just gonna be filming a video of me coloring a bird in in one of my coloring books. I just got this idea because I was just like coloring a bird in it, and then I just got this idea that I could film a video like this. After hours and hours of thinking of what video I could make, after hours and hours of thinking of a video idea, I finally came up with one. But if you do enjoy today's video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Yeah, you like our flowers? Yeah, my mom got them for her birthday. My grandparents, they had some flowers and some little vases for my mom's birthday, and so my mom got to have it. My mom got to keep it. But yeah, so let me just continue. But I don't know how I'm gonna do this wall because right now, wow! I literally almost just fell out of my chair just then. But as you guys can tell, right now I'm standing on my knees right now. I'm sitting, I'm sitting up like this, and I don't know how I'm going to color like this, but hopefully I can make it work. I'm sorry guys, I'm looking on the screen right now, and I can see that the screen is I can see the bird, but I can barely, it's really hard to see it because it's so light, it's so bright in the dining room right now. Or I just got an idea. Yeah, this works perfect. Why did I not think of this? This literally works perfectly. Right now, I'm going to be coloring the bird. But this works out perfectly. And by the way, I said this in one of my videos, at the very beginning of my YouTube career, of my YouTuber career. And I think it was a Beyblade video, it was either the Beyblade video or the Beck and Dance video. I don't really remember what video it was in, but I said if some of you guys know anything about being a YouTuber that you want to tell me, just be sure to write in the comments. Right now, I told my mom, whenever I try to look in the comments to see if people have wrote anything, I couldn't see it said comments are turned off, so I don't know if you guys are able to write comments on the videos, but I'll try to have that fixed soon. I don't know exactly when I'm going to try to fix that, but I'll try to see if my mom can fix that soon. And by the way, I'm thinking about while I do these videos, I'm thinking about I'm probably gonna delete my YouTube channel, and I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm planning to delete my YouTube channel, and hopefully I can get all the videos and put them, hopefully I can send all the videos to my mom so she'll have them on her messenger, and then I can delete the YouTube channel, and then I can and then I'll have them on her, and then it will be on her messenger. And then, once that is done, then I can, I don't even know what I'm saying right now. I don't even know what I'm saying. But, once I do, I'm planning to, make 3 different YouTube channels. And one of them will be called Chicken Nugget Boy Roblox. Another will be Chicken Nugget Boy Minecraft, and the third one will be Chicken Nugget Boy Vlogs. The vlog channel, I'll do videos at my house, or maybe even my grandparents' house. The Chicken Nugget Boy Roblox, I'll do Roblox videos. Chicken Nugget Boy Minecraft, I'll do Minecraft videos. But that's something for in the future. I don't know exactly when I'm going to do that, but hopefully I can do that soon. But yeah, and if you guys want to see any more videos like this, don't forget. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, just leave a like and subscribe. And click the bell. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to me. It'll mean a lot to me. Just please, can you just try to subscribe, because it means a lot to me. Every time someone subscribes, it means a lot to me. It just makes me really happy, because it lets me know that people, they like my videos, and it just lets me know that people are liking my videos and stuff. But I don't know. Just please try to leave a like and maybe subscribe and click the bell, because, like I said, it means a lot to me. And I'm probably not going to do Roblox or Minecraft videos for a while, because, here's the thing. I don't know exactly how I can, get the camera to, I don't know exactly how I can make a face cam, record me, but then I can also, have, another camera, record what's on the screen of my iPad, what's on the screen on my iPad or my PC, whatever I'm gonna play Roblox or Minecraft on. I don't really know how to do that, but if any of you guys are watching my videos and you're a YouTuber or you're not a YouTuber but you know how to be a YouTuber, then please just give me some tips on how to do that, because that'll help me a lot. And you guys are probably wondering Is Chicken Nugget Boy going? Is Chicken Nugget Boy just going to? You're probably wondering, like, is Chicken Nugget Boy just going to? Like, is Chicken Nugget Boy going to? Just? You're probably wondering, like, is Chicken Nugget Boy just gonna color this entire bird orange? No, well, no, I'm not. I'm just trying to color this part orange. So after I finish coloring these huge ball things, whatever these are, ballies, I'm just going to call these ballies. I'm not trying to be inappropriate or anything, but I'm just gonna call them this, that. I'm just gonna call these things that because it's just that's what they look like. They're just balls. But I'm not trying to be inappropriate or anything. So I'm just trying to I'm just calling them that because they're just big balls. There's big giant balls on this bird, so I don't even know what they're called. So for now I'm just gonna call them ballies, but whatever they are, just I don't know. I don't even know what the name of these things are, like I said, so I'm just gonna call them ballies for now, even though they probably have a way different name, completely different name. But now I'm gonna color. I can't tell if these are feet, I can't tell if these are the feet or if these are parts of the branches. But this is what it looks like so far. But now I'm going to use a different color real quick, so I'll be right back. Don't leave, I'll be right back. I'm not just going to leave the camera facing that chair for a long time. I'm just trying to figure out what color I'm going to use now. Okay, I'm back. So now I'm just gonna it's actually a little bit hard holding. It's actually kind of hard holding the camera like this while coloring, because if I color while holding a camera, trying to make it face a piece of paper, like if I try to color while holding the camera, like, it makes me, like, get out of the lines a little on the picture that I'm coloring. But at least it's not making my arm extremely tired, like the last video, like the video I uploaded a few minutes ago. But by the way, I don't know exactly how many videos I'll make each day. I'm planning to film like 4 videos a day or something. Yeah, I'm probably gonna, I'm 100%, yeah, 100%. I'm 100% going to film 4 videos a day. So from now on I'm gonna film 4 videos a day. Well, like on days that I'm at school, whenever I get home from school, I'm only gonna, but like on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I'm gonna film 1 or 2 videos because like when I get home, I'll only have like 4 hours until I go to bed. So, but like I'll try to film 3 or 4 videos on Saturday and Sunday if I get time after church. Okay, let me color the eyes brown real quick, and I am finished. Let me just, that was loud, but let me just set the camera down for a minute, put this marker away, and then let me show you what the bird looks like. Give me 1 second. Okay, and here, let me just get this coloring book, set it right here. And let me show you what it looks like. But there it is. You can't really see the colors, but because it's kind of dark in here now, because the sun just went down a little bit. It's like 11:10. It's like 11:10 right now, and today's not a beautiful day. Today's like such a not really a good day. It's so cloudy outside. It actually looks like it's about to rain. But if you can kind of tell, that part right there and that part, that part and that part, that is brown, and that part right there, that is orange. But I'm going to try to get this notebook, I'm going to try to move it over to the light and to the window a little. I'm going to move it to the window so you can see it a little, so you can see the colors a little more. Wait, let me get this all settled real quick. You know what? I'm just going to set it down on the table real quick. And then I'm going to get my chocolate milk and set it here so that way this page won't. You know what? I'm going to get this little coaster holder thing. Okay, wait. Sorry about this. But there it is. That's it. That's the bird. Well, guess that's going to wrap up today's video. And like I said at the beginning, and I hope, like I said at the beginning of the video, if you did enjoy, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and click the bell, so that way you won't miss. So that way you'll be notified. You'll get notified whenever I upload another video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Sorry about that, guys. Sorry the camera went all over the place. I just accidentally the camera just slipped out of my hand and it almost fell on the ground, but luckily I caught it. Can't even imagine what would happen if it fell. That was close. But like I said, if you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to leave. But like I said, if you did enjoy today's video, leave a like and subscribe and click the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload another video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!